And welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with building construction in the topic of masonry construction. So the first question, the line of intersection of the surface of sloping roof forming an external angle exceeding 180 degree is option A ridge, option B valley, option C hip, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option C hip. So next question, the portion of brick cut across the width is called option A bed, option B closer, option C bat, option D half brick. So the correct answer is option C bat. So next question, in English garden wall bond, option A 1 course of header to 3 or 5 course of stretchers, option B king closer in provided in each heading course, option C lowest course of stretchers is started with the header to give proper vertical joints, option D having 1 course of header in middle. So the correct answer is option A 1 course of headers to 3 or 5 course of stretchers. So next question, the piece of brick cut with its one corner equivalent to half the length and half the width of the full brick is known as option A beveled closer, option B king closer, option C queen closer, option D half king closer. So the correct answer is option B king closer. So next question, the brick laid with its breadth parallel to the face of the wall is known as option A stretcher, option B header, option C closer, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B header. So next question, the formwork from the underside of slab can be removed only after option A 1 day, option B 4 day, option C 7 day, option D 14 day. So the correct answer is option C 7 days. Next question, queen closer may be placed option A in stretcher course, option B in stretcher course next to first brick, option C in header course, option D in header course next to first brick. So the correct answer is option D in header course next to first brick. So next question, the under surface of an arc is called option A introdos, option B herna, option C soffit, option D back. So the correct answer is option C soffit. Next question, the exterior angle between outer face of wall is known as option A turn, option B queen, option C junction, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option B queen. Next question, the depth of an arch is the distance between option A crown and springing line, option B ground level and springing line, option C crown and ground level, option D introdos and extrodos. So the correct answer is option D introdos and extrodos. Next question, expansion joints in masonry walls are provided if length exceed option A 10 meter, option B 20 meter, option C 30 meter, option D 40 meter. So the correct answer is option D 40 meter. Next question, the inclined surface of an abutment receive the arch is known as option A soffit, option B spandrel, option C skew back, option D hunna. So the correct answer is option C skew back. Next question, for brick construction, the lime sand mortar is option A 1:1, option B 1:3, option C 1:4, option D 1:2. So the correct answer is option D 1:2. Next question, an arch constructed with finely dressed stone is known as option A ashlar arch, option B gauged arch, option C rubble arch, option D axed arch. Correct answer is option A ashlar arch. Next question, the position of brick when laid on its side 9 cm into 9 cm with its frog in the vertical plane is called option A brick on end, option B brick on edge, option C brick on bed, option D brick held vertically. So the correct answer is option A brick on end. So next question, Dutch bond is a modification of option A English bond, option B structure bond, option C English bond, option D single Flemish bond. So the correct answer is option A English bond. So next question, the 19 cm into 9 cm side of a brick as seen in the wall face is generally known as option A structure, option B front, option C face, option D header. So the correct answer is option A structure. So next question, The type of ashlar masonry in which stone or finely chiseled, dressed and thickness of joint does not exceed 3 mm is option A coarse ashlar masonry, option B random coarse ashlar masonry, option C ashlar facing masonry, option D chamfered ashlar masonry. So the correct answer is option A coarse ashlar masonry. So next question, herringbone is used for option A architectural finish to face work, option B ornamental panels in brick flooring, option C wall having thickness more than 4 bricks, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the alignment of cross joints along the plumb line is option A lintel, option B bed block, option C vertical line, option D perpend. So the correct answer is option D perpend. So next question, a covering of concrete placed on the exposed top of an external wall is known as option A cornice, option B lintel, option C coping, option D frieze. So the correct answer is option C coping. So next question, which one of the following piles have a cast iron shoe even after removal of hollow cylinder steel casing? Option A simplex pile, option B pedestal pile, option C vibro pile, option D both A and D of the above. So the correct answer is option D both A and B of the above. So next question, the type of bond in brick masonry containing alternate cores of stretchers and headers is called option A Flemish bond, option B English bond, option C stretcher bond, option D header bond. So the correct answer is option B English bond. So next question, the type of bond in which every course contains both headers and stretchers is called option A English bond, option B Dutch bond, option C facing bond, option D Flemish bond. So the correct answer is option D Flemish bond. So next question, the stagger vertical joints in successive course of a wall. A piece of brick is generally used at the end of the course, which is known as option A header, option B closer, option C bed, option D stretcher. So the correct answer is option B closer. So next question, to construct a 10 cm thick partition wall, you will prefer option A header bond, option B Flemish bond, option C stretcher bond, option D English bond. So the correct answer is option C stretcher bond. So next question, the pile which supports the load due to friction between pile face and the surrounding soil is generally known as option A sheet pile, option B friction pile, option C battered pile, option D bearing pile. So the correct answer is option B friction pile. So next question, for plastering the exposed brick walls, the cement sand mortar should be option A 1:2, option B 1:3, option C 1:4, option D 1:6. So the correct answer is option C 1:4. So next question, an arch may fail due to option A sliding of accessories, option B uneven settlement of abutments, option C crushing of the material, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the local swelling of the finished plaster is termed as option A dubbing, option B hacking, option C blistering, option D cracking. So the correct answer is option C blistering. So next question, the nominal thickness of the expansion joints in brick walls is kept more than option A 5 mm, option B 15 mm, option C 10 mm, option D 20 mm. So the correct answer is option D 20 mm. So next question, the nominal thickness of one brick wall is in mm, option A 200 mm, option B 190 mm, option C 120 mm, option D 90 mm. So the correct answer is option A 200 mm. So next question, before plastering the surface has to be option A rough, option B smooth, option C cemented, option D watered. So the correct answer is option A rough. Again we will see next video. Thank you.